Sunshine State Strutter. Fun fact, an Osceola turkey is a turkey native to the great state of Florida. I'm Taylor Drury, and this is DoD TV.
This segment of DoD TV is brought to you by Cabela's. It's in your nature.
A while back, DoD team member Malik headed down to Florida to get some turkey hunting on. After searching long and hard for an Osceola turkey, he finally came face to face with a beautiful bird.
Finally. Oh, good Lord. Did that really happen?
Finally. How about that, man? Awesome. What a beautiful bird. I gotta tell you, I said a big old prayer right before I pulled the trigger on this guy, but they came right in. Two of them, 2-year-olds. Gotta love it. Down here in Florida, I think it's the first Drury bird of the year.
Nice shot, and what a gorgeous hunk of feathers. If you want more blood-pumping action, subscribe to our Drury Outdoors YouTube channel. You know, the one you're watching right now. And join along with us as we go through turkey season, deer season, any kind of season. I'm Taylor Drury. Thanks for watching DoD TV. I'm out.